Hi guys, welcome to IT networking and how to fix wer.dll in the OneDrive error. So first step guys, there are many steps to fix these issues. So first it is click to setting, scroll down, then click to Windows Update. So if you have any KB series pending, so firstly download and then installed. Okay, like this is installing the system and this is pending for the downloading. This is will be complete. After that this will start. Okay, so up to date your system, then restart and then try. Then if not fix this issue, then next re-register the dial file. Okay, this dial file is you're coming the error your system, so click to start and type cmd, then right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, then type regsvr32 space slash u space ver dot dial. Okay, this is a spelling mistake, double L, then hit to enter. Okay, that error is not come your system if you receive this error. Okay, yeah, okay, then next second command, you you remove and press I. Okay, first this command and second this, then again it hit to enter. Okay, then click to okay, then guys restart your system. Okay, and next and last final step is scan your system. Then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc slash scan now, you look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care. And you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.